everyone, this is your girl VK3 Reefing Things, and today it's just a little bit different. I got my YKYI in today. I heard a lady pronouncing this word. She said yicky or something, but I heard her pronouncing it. And get back over there where you were. But anyway, I'm pronouncing it YKYI. And it's a 8-in-1 cleaning brush. I needed something desperately to clean my shower and my tub. Because the way my tub is built, you got to reach way over. You gotta get inside of the tub to clean it. So I saw this thing and I decided to order one. Now I already have this brush on there. I didn't want to take it off because it was kind of hard, but this the head of the machine where you put your brush, and they have 8 brush. They have this one. I'm gonna tell you in a minute what they are used for. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they have 8 brush attachments. They are used for different things. Okay, let me tell you what they all are used for. Got to put my specs on. So you can put it down here. Okay, the first brush is a wide flat brush, and it's this one. And this one is best used for floors, tiles, and glass. Second, they have the small flat brush, and this one is ideal for cooktops, stove, and oven. Then they have this brush here. They call it a corner brush. It is good for your showers where you can't reach certain areas like the base of your shower. That should be good for that one. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to use it tomorrow. And the brush I already have on here, this is the first one I'm going to use. This is called a round brush. And it's good for baseboards, sinks, and bathtubs. Like I said earlier, it'd be hard for me to reach it. Okay, now this one is a cloth brush. You can clean the windows with this one. I'll probably be cleaning my shower doors with this one. And this one is it's a sponge. It cleans your table. And this one is a wool cloth. It's used for cleaning your car. I doubt if I use this for my car. I'm gonna mainly use this for inside. And this one is a fiber sponge. It cleans heavy oil stains like on your stove and stuff. And, okay, how many is that? This one is a fiber sponge. And it's good for cleaning heavy oil stains also. Okay, let's see. 8. So that's 8 right there. They just gave me something. This is something extra. I don't know. It's kind of rough. So I really don't know what this one is for. You just have to figure it out. Okay, and when it came to me, it was on 10% battery charge. I charged it up on my laptop, and it only took like 5 minutes, and it was 100%. So it charges very fast. And it's a voice broadcaster too. It talks to you. And the M is where you turn it on. And they have 3 speeds. 3 speeds on it. Okay, and then it comes with this. This is where you charge it at. It comes with a little USB, little bitty cord. I already have it still in my computer, my laptop. And this is the battery cover. I think when you're cleaning this, you cover it so it won't get wet inside. But we're gonna take it off. It's good, it fit in there really tight. And it comes with a little manual that's not too manual friendly. Most of the things you have to figure it out for yourself, because I was a little bit concerned. They were saying to cover it. I'm thinking before you even start using it, but it ain't gonna fit right in there with that. So let's go ahead and it's an extender too. You can extend it. Let's go ahead and put this back on. Fit on there really tight. And let's go ahead and do some extending. Look how long it is. So I like a lot of reach in the shower, but during my shower I may have to let that down a little bit, a notch or two. You have these grooves where you can gauge how far you want it. So let's just go and let it all the way back up. And it comes with a little mesh bag for you to put all of your brushes in. And that's about it for the YKYI. It's a voice broadcast, and it's new with upgrade. And I got this from Amazon, 8-in-1 cleaning brush. Suitable for households cleaning, suitable for heavy oil pollution cleaning. And y'all gonna have to come back to me for an update, because I am gonna clean my bathroom tomorrow. So come back, and I think I'm gonna leave it connected for tonight. I'm not gonna take it loose and then have to put it back together tomorrow. But this is a handy little machine here. The reviews, I'm always reading reviews before I order anything. This one here, now they have a lot of them out there, but this particular one had the best reviews. So that's why I bought this one, because of the reviews. And you would never want to lose your little battery cover, so nothing won't happen to your battery pack. Your charging port. So that's about it for this machine. And come back tomorrow and I will have a real review while I am cleaning my bathroom. I may clean my bathroom along with you guys tomorrow. Just maybe not the whole bathroom, just maybe the shower or the tub, and see how it really works. All right, y'all. See you later.